Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow with Gentle Shamim. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to set up the Facebook conversion API for your Shopify store. If you want to improve your ad tracking, reduce data loss, and optimize your campaign's performance, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Before we dive into the setup, let's quickly understand why the Facebook Conversion API is crucial. It helps you collect data directly from your server instead of relying on browser tracking. This means more accurate data, better tracking even with ad blockers, and improved ad performance. Now let's move on the setup. First of all, we need to create server container. Just go admin from your Google Tag Manager and create on plus icon. Here you can see that container settings. Just type here your container name and it will be for server. Okay, and here you can see that target platform: web, iOS, Android, AMP server. Just click on server and create. Yes, and here you can see that install Google Tag Manager. You can set up it automatically and manually. Just click on manually. Here you can see that your container config is that. Okay, just copy it. Now we need to go step.io. Type here step.io. If already have an account on step.io, just sign in. If you haven't any account, then type here your email and select here where are you from, global or European Union, then sign up. I have previous video for how to set up or create step.io account properly. You can see this video. Okay, just click on sign in and sign in. Yes, you can see that there are many containers set up. I have already 3 containers here. Create a container name and your configuration, container configuration. Here you can see that our container config. Just copy and paste here. And server location, you can see lots of server location. Just okay, South Carolina. Create container. Okay, free. Continue with free plan. Back to a CGTM container. Here you can see that our domain name. Now go to your Google Tag Manager. Go to admin and container settings. Add URL. Copy this URL and paste here. Okay, then save. Now go to your browser container, workplace, tags, create a new tag, Google tag, type here your Google tag ID and configuration settings, add parameter, server container URL, send page view, server container URL is that, copy and paste here, and it's true. Go to triggering, just click on all pages and name this tag gf4 config tag, then save. Let's make a variable new. I wanna create a constant variable, then name this variable for measurement ID, then save. Now let's make a new tag. Just click on new tag config and search. Discover more text types in the community template gallery. Click on here. Search here Facebook. Here you can see that lots of text. Click on here conversions API tag by Facebook incubator. Add to workplace and add. Now we need Facebook pixel ID, API access token, test event code. Just go business manager and go to settings. Here you can see that dataset ID. Just copy it and paste here pixel ID. And we need API access token. Just scroll down. Here you can see that generate access token. Click on there. Copy this code and back to again your server container. Paste here. And we need test event code. Go back your test events and click on here. You can see that test event code. Just copy this code and paste here. Now triggering. Click on here and click on plus icon. Click on here and custom some events. Click on here, choose built-in variable and client name. Client name equals GF4 and name this trigger. Then save. Name this tag. Save. Now go to templates. For deduplication, we need to enable this template. Now we need variable templates. Search gallery and search here event ID. Add to workplace. Add. Now go variables, user defined variables. Click on event ID. Rename it event ID. Save. Now go to tags. Now go base picture and more settings, event ID. Event ID, then save. Now go to your server container, click on triggers, new trigger, custom, some events, client name equals page view. Event name equals page view. Name it FB CAPI events. Then save. Now go to your view content tag, which I created in my previous video. Just click on this tag and go more settings. Here you can see that event ID. event ID. Then save. Let's make another tag. J for event. Measurement ID. Event name is view item and trigger view content. And need some event parameters. Add parameters. First of all, event ID, content type, content name, content ID, value, and next one is currency. Now event ID, content type, product, name, DLB product name, product ID, DLB product price, and next one is currency. Name it FB GA4. SS means server side view content tag. Then save. Now go add to cart tag, add event ID, more settings, event ID, and save it. Now copy this view content tag for making add to cart tag. Just click on three dot and copy. Add to cart. All of event parameters are same. Just event name will be add to cart, and click on trigger, delete it, and add to cart trigger. Then save. Now go FB purchase tag. Just click here and more settings. Type here event ID. Then save. Let's make another tag for purchase. Event name is purchase, and now need some event parameters. Add parameters. First of all, need event ID. Secondly, need content type, content name, content IDs, value, currency, and last one is transaction ID. Event ID, content type is product, content name, purchase product name, purchase product ID, DLVB order value, then currency, DLVB currency, then transaction ID, triggering purchase trigger. Now we need begin checkout tag. This tag same as like purchase tag. Just copy this tag, purchase tag, click on three dot and copy checkout tag and event name, begin checkout, remove transaction ID and trigger begin checkout trigger and save. Let's preview. This is browser container as well as server container. Let's preview it. Yes, you can see that FB CAPI means conversion API tag is fired one time, and here you can see that FB base pixel all pages tag fired, FB config tag fired. Let's click on a product, buy it now, proceed checkout. Let's check. You can see that add to cart content tag is fired. Let's check our event manager. Yes, you can see that our data is coming. It takes some times. When it fulfill your time, then we can see our all of data from here. You can see that browser, server, and also we can see that the duplication. So that's it. We have successfully set up the Facebook conversion API for our Shopify store. This setup will help you get better insights and optimize your ad performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. If you need any help, then you can contact with me. I will help you anytime. Thanks for watching.